So we're standing on the back deck of the motel. Going into room one. All the motel rooms are pretty much the same. So we do have one king room. Most of the rooms have two queen beds. All new mattresses. The rooms, have a little fridge, microwave, HD TV. Little recliner chair here. Were done last spring. As well as the linoleum in all the bathrooms was done last spring. So we're now going to walk into the kind of the game room, lower level of the motel building here. There's also two motel rooms, down on this level as well. There's a stairwell that goes right up and out the front of the motel towards the pool there, under that patio in the front. And then this goes kind of down into the game room, which of course is not open at winter either. We store TVs from the cottages in here so they don't get too cold. Hopefully you can see this. There's a pool table, foosball table. A lot of the outdoor furniture stored down here too. So kind of a mess. It's a coin-operated pool table. Foosball table does not have any coin operation to it. This gets a lot of use, believe it or not, in the summer. There's a nice little, bunch of books we give away, and there's a TV on the wall with a DVD player, big toy box for the kids. I'm going to walk down into the boiler room. Obviously, this is not open to the public in the summer. It's where we keep all the rollaway beds. The boiler for the main motel is right here. It's in good shape. Plenty of storage in here. There's the pool pump we keep inside in the winter, of course. Nice wash basin sink here. Oil tanks.